Alright, Matt, tell the people, what are we doing?
Okay, so today we're at the Peaked event, and they're doing it at the UC Health. It's like the baseball stadium. They got cars inside the baseball stadium, and they're letting us drift on this. So we get a drift for people. So Yoshi brought his car, and we got cars over there, and they got show cars here, and they're really low, and they got wide tires, and then they got some with small tires, and they go spinny, and that's it.
It's gonna be a good day, people. So yeah, so that's just a quick little video of what is happening right now. We're gonna go ahead and get this sorted this week for you guys. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna get this car sorted. It's a very good car, and yeah, I'm just a little frustrated with this car because we put so much money and time into these cars, and you know, when they don't work or cooperate at the track, you just feel like you feel. But you know, we're gonna get it sorted, and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys later.